Hey everybody, welcome back to Off-Grid Living in Belize. So today, as you can see, it's pouring down rain and we're in dry season. But that's a good thing. The reason why, water is life. Here on the homestead, we don't have a well yet, so we rely 100% off of rainwater catchment. Normally the dry season in Belize can last 6-7 months. Now during the rainy season, you can catch a lot of water. During the dry season, you got to get as much water as you can. So today's a perfect day to kind of show you the rain catchment system that we use here in Belize. And especially right now during the dry season, we don't get a lot of days like this. Woke up this morning about 4 o'clock. On mornings like this, when it rains, steady downpour like this, I can usually get anywhere from 300 to 400 gallons of rainwater within a couple hours, which is awesome because like I said, water is life. So come with me and I'll show you the rain catchment system and how we collect our water. As you can see, it's really coming down today. It's windy, rain is coming down, getting water all up in here in the deck. Still love it. Water's life. I'll take it. Beautiful sound early in the morning. It's about 6:30. Sound of rain. Good steady rain. On rainwater catchment. That's how we survive out here. Water is life. You see, I got this one cistern overflowing right now. Alright, so what I've done so far, I haven't put gutters on the entire roof yet. Just on the deck area. But you can see the gutters run. The gutters run all the way down corner, and then they run all the way down on that deck. Now they all feed in to this one pipe right here that's coming down off the corner. So you can see, got a corner pipe, so everything feeds right there into that pipe, runs right down, runs down into this 300-gallon cistern. Now from this 300-gallon cistern, got an on-off valve. I got an external pump that I run with a hose, and I pump the water from this cistern into the bigger 1,300-gallon cistern. So that's what I do right now, is until I get gutters on the entire house to where I can fill up this 300-gallon and the 1,300-gallon with another gutter system. I just move water from this cistern to the other one, and that's working for us here fine. All right, this right here is the bigger cistern. This is the one that's 1,300 gallons. So as you can see right now, I have the hose running up the side, up to the top. So that's pretty much what I do, is I pump water from the 300 gallon into the main one, which is 1,300 gallons, until I get gutters all the way around the cabin, and then it'll have a pipe that'll feed directly into this big one. So as you can see here, this is the hose running into the bigger cistern. This one's almost all the way full now. This morning when it initially started raining and I turned the pump on, this was at about 3/4 full. So I've already gotten, in the last couple hours, I've gotten about 300 gallons of water. You can see it's almost up to the top. When it gets closer to the top, I'll go ahead and shut the external pump off and let the one out back just kind of overflow. Eventually I'm gonna put gutters all the way around, so it'll run around the entire cabin, and then it'll feed right here into this big one, and I'm gonna get a second 1,300-gallon cistern as well here in the future, and I'll do another video when I go to hook up that cistern and get it installed. This one cistern alone can last us about 2.5 months with the way that we conserve water, which is really good. I'm going to be adding a second one this year. When I do that, I'm going to do a video on the adding of the other cistern. But this right here, 1,300 US gallons, will last us about 2.5 months. Another thing I've done here, I don't waste any space, any roof that I have. That's right, here's the chicken coop. You see, I even put a gutter back here on the back. Just collect rainwater, run down into buckets. Here's another one I got completely full. That's what I use for the animals.